The key to healthy meal prep is starting with fresh, wholesome ingredients. Choose vibrant vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers. They're low in calories and packed with nutrients that keep you feeling full and energized. Protein helps you feel fuller for longer, making it essential for weight loss. Options like chicken breast, turkey, tofu, and salmon are great choices. Cook them in bulk for easy meals throughout the week. Complex carbs are your friend when it comes to sustained energy. Quinoa, brown rice, and sweet potatoes digest slowly, keeping hunger at bay and providing fiber for gut health. Don't fear fats. They're essential for weight loss. Add small amounts of avocado, olive oil, nuts, or seeds to your meals to enhance flavor and provide vital nutrients. Spending just 2 hours on meal prep each week can save you time and help you stick to your weight loss goals. Use stackable containers to store pre-chopped veggies, cooked proteins, and grains. Overeating can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Use portion control to measure out your meals. For example, half your container can be veggies, 1/4 protein, and 1/4 carbs. Prepping snacks like smoothies, boiled eggs, or energy balls ensures you always have healthy options on hand. It prevents the temptation to grab junk food when you're in a rush. Making a list before heading to the store ensures you buy only what you need. Stick to whole foods and avoid processed snacks. Remember, preparation starts at the store. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Experiment with different recipes, spices, and ingredients. Keeping your meals exciting ensures you'll look forward to eating them. Documenting your meals and weight loss journey keeps you accountable. Use a journal or a meal planning app to stay on track. Meal prep is a game changer for weight loss. With a little planning, you can save time, reduce stress, and stay on track with your goals. Start today and see the difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy tips.